Hi, I'm Mia. This is my daily routine in the simple present tense. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. I open the curtains to let the light in. I brush my teeth to stay clean and healthy. I get ready for school. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. My mother prepares breakfast in the kitchen. My father reads the morning news on his phone. My younger brother hates waking up early. We eat breakfast together. We talk about our plans for the day. I leave home at 7 a.m. to go to school. I walk to school with my friend Nancy. My school is close to my home. The walk takes 15 minutes. My first class starts at 8 a.m. I enjoy learning about living things. During the break, I sit with my friends under a big tree. We share snacks and talk. My brother goes to a different school. He takes the bus to school every day. My mother is a tailor. She owns a sewing machine. She stitches clothes at home. My father is an engineer. He works with computers. He goes to the office by car every day.
Like the video and subscribe to practice English every day.
In the afternoon, the weather in my town is often windy. The trees move gently, and the air feels fresh. My town is always busy in the evenings because of the big market. People buy vegetables, fruits, and fresh bread there. On weekends, we go to the market together. We buy snacks, bread, and sometimes ice cream.
The story is finished. Now let's start again and practice with questions.
I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. Do I wake up at 10 a.m.? No, I don't. I don't wake up at 10 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. What time do I wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth to stay clean and healthy. Do I brush my teeth every morning? Yes, I do. I brush my teeth every morning. Why do I brush my teeth? I brush my teeth to stay clean and healthy. My mother prepares breakfast in the kitchen. Does my mother sleep in the kitchen? No, she doesn't. She doesn't sleep in the kitchen. She prepares breakfast in the kitchen. What does my mother do in the morning? She prepares breakfast in the kitchen.
Like the video and subscribe to practice English every day.
I leave home at 7 a.m. to go to school. Do I leave home at 7 a.m.? Yes, I do. I leave home at 7 a.m. When do I leave home? I leave home at 7 a.m. I walk to school with my friend Nancy. Do I go to school with John? No, I don't. I don't go with John. I go to school with Nancy. Who do I walk to school with? I walk to school with Nancy. My school is close to my home. Is my school far from my home? No, it isn't. My school is not far. Is my school close to my home? Yes, it is. My school is close to my home. Where is my school? My school is close to my home. My favorite subject is biology. Is my favorite subject math? No, it isn't. I don't like math. Is biology my favorite subject? Yes, it is. Biology is my favorite subject. My brother goes to a different school. Does my brother go to the same school as me? No, he doesn't. He goes to a different school. He takes the bus to school every day. Does my brother walk to school? No, he doesn't. He doesn't walk to school. He takes the bus to school. He goes to the office by car every day. Does he go to the office by helicopter? No, he doesn't. He doesn't go to the office by helicopter. How does he go to the office? He goes to the office by car. In the afternoon, the weather in my town is often windy. Is the weather always snowy? No, it isn't. It is often windy. My town is busy in the evenings because of the big market. Is my town quiet in the evening? No, it isn't. My town is not quiet. Many people are outside, so my town is busy. On weekends, we go to the market together. Do we go to the market every day? No, we don't. We go only on weekends. We buy snacks, bread, and sometimes ice cream. Do we buy cars in the market? No, we don't. We buy snacks, bread, and ice cream.
This is how we use the simple present in daily life. Practice every day.